The following table shows current youth allowance payments rates for students and Australian apprentices. So you don't need to take them all in necessarily here. I've got a smaller copy that I'm going to keep over here on the right, and we can refer back to as we're doing the questions. What is the entitlement for someone who doesn't have children but is living in a couple relationship? So we can see that just here. Member of a couple with no children. So that is $455.20. Lives at home, has no children, is single, and turning 17 this year. So single, no children, younger than 18, and live at the parents' home. So that looks like $249.20. 22 years old, single, living away from home, has no children, and has just graduated from university. Well, this person gets $0 because guess what? They just graduated from university, so they are no longer a student. For all circumstances listed in the table above, the following two conditions will affect the fortnightly payment entitlement. If you earn between $437 and $524, your fortnightly payment reduces by 50 cents for each dollar that you earn over 437. So basically, we have a diagram of that. Then up to 437, you basically keep all. But then up to 524, you lose 50 cents per dollar. If you earn more than $524, your payment reduces by $43.50, which clearly will be earning all of this gap, and then 60 cents per dollar over the 524. So we want to calculate the fortnightly entitlement for Harry, a 19-year-old student who is single, without children, and currently living away from home. He works Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights, 6 hours per night at a rate of $22.10 per hour. Now, if we just have a quick look back at the table, this seems to be Harry. So his basic allowance is $455.20. Now what we need to do is see if it gets reduced at all. So Harry works 3 nights per week, which means 6 nights per fortnight. On each of those days, he works 6 hours, and he earns $22.10 per hour. So he gets 36, that's 6 times 6, times 22.10. So $795.60. So that's going to put him up here. So how much is it going to reduce? So the amount he's going to get is $455.20 take away. So we know he's going to lose $43.50. And he earns $795.60. So we need to do $795.60 take away 524. So that gives us how much he's above this 524. And in there, he's going to lose 60 cents. for each dollar. So we have got the 455.20. We're going to take away from that. Let's use a bracket. We're going to take away from that 43.50. And also the 795.60. I'll just copy that from here. Take away 524, giving us the amount he earns over that. And then he's losing 60 cents in the dollar on all of that. And that's 248.74. So his total income, now remember this is per fortnight, as was this. So this is what he earns. He's also going to get this. So he's going to get 79.95.60 and the 248.74, but that's fortnightly. And we want weekly. So we've got to divide by 2. So we are going to have the 248.74. I could have just hit the answer button. And the 795.60, put those together and divide it by 2, and we get 522.17.